Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to edit your comment on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need an Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create an account. If you do have your account, just go log in and let's get straight to it. So first of all, if you want to edit our comment, of course, we would like to comment first. So let's just search for a random post. So let's just go to this post of food and go to comment and type maybe tasty. Wait, tasty. Then click at post. Wait until it's posted. As you can see, I comment in this post. Now, as you can see, if I want to edit this, let me just hover it. As you can see, I have no option to edit my comment. So just delete it and let's go back. So let me show you a way. All you need to do first is just go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon on the bottom right corner. Then all you need to do, just look at the post that you want to edit or to navigate, or the caption you want to edit. Let's just click at this post because it's my only post on this account. So all you need to do now, just press the three lines or the three dots here on the top right corner. Then all you need to do, just select edit. After that, you can here change whatever you want. If you want to add a caption, if you want to add a comment, maybe tag some people, maybe add the location. Then all you need to do after doing whatever you want, let me just be happy. Let's just write something here. Then click on the check mark here. And it will be done. As you can see here, I have a comment. And if I want to edit it, all I need to do, just go and click on the three dots again, click at edit, like here is it, like let me just remove the B. As you can see here, happy, and click on the check mark on the top right corner, and I will be done. As you can see, if I refresh and go back, I will have this caption or this comment on my post. So first of all, the only way that you can edit a comment, or a caption, it's just on your post. You cannot edit a comment on other people's posts. So that is for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.